Hi guys, hello and welcome to another video. So let's create a new project. I'm gonna click on File, New Project. So this is the templates that we have. So we're gonna select Console Application. Okay, pay attention to that. I'm gonna click on Go. So here it's gonna show me C and C++. I'm gonna select C. I'm gonna give a name CPP hello. Okay, a simple name. I'm gonna click on Finish. So it's going to create this file for me called main.cpp, and this is the code that we see, and I'm gonna talk about this. Okay, so the first line is a import statement. This pound include iostream means that we are importing this library, and this library is the standard for IO, which means input output is string. So I'm gonna deal with some data. So this using namespace std. So std stands for standard, which means that we're gonna access this class. We can access methods from this class, okay, std, which lives inside of this library. Okay, and we have a main method. Every program in C++ needs to have at least one main method to execute, because every time we run a computer program in C++, the compiler or the executable is going to look for a main method. So every program needs to have a main method. Okay, cout, which stands for console output, will output this message hello world into the screen, and then we add a new line and we return the code 0, which means success. Okay, there you go. We're gonna click build and build, or you could also press Control F function 9. Actually Control function 9, or you could run with Control function 10. Okay, so we're gonna run. This is the output. As you guys can see, it's not that surprising, right? So this is the first program, so I'm gonna explain in more details in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.